Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to straight pipe Audi A4 step by step. Begin by safely lifting the car and supporting it with jack stands, then remove the rear muffler assemblies and hangers. Inspect existing hangers, hang points, and heat shields to determine cutting locations. Measure and mock up the replacement piping along the factory exhaust route to ensure fitment and clearance for suspension and body panels before final welding. Start by marking the factory joints and disconnecting oxygen sensors to prevent damage. Cut or unbolt sections methodically, supporting pipes as you go to prevent sudden drops. Remove hangers gently and keep track of hardware for reuse or replacement. Clean mating surfaces and inspect for rust or damage that could affect new piping fitment. Test fit replacement sections before any welding to confirm alignment and clearance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us create more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers simple, powerful ideas about money that pair well with saving for car projects. I found it motivating while budgeting for parts and upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mock up the straight pipe using temporary clamps and hangers to confirm routing around suspension and heat-sensitive areas. Tack weld sections while checking alignment, then finish welds for strength and leak prevention. Replace rubber isolators and ensure the system hangs with slight movement to absorb vibrations. Reinstall oxygen sensors where required or use correct blanking plugs, then perform a final clearance and leak check before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.